Welcome to Crypto Lingo for Beginners, 20 terms that actually matter. This guide is your gateway to understanding the essential terms in the crypto world, explained in plain English. Whether you're curious about Bitcoin or considering your first investment, these 20 key terms will help you navigate the crypto landscape with confidence. Cryptocurrency can feel like learning a foreign language, but don't worry. This guide is designed to be user-friendly and practical. Browse at your own pace, save it for reference, and build your confidence gradually. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and there's no need to feel overwhelmed. A blockchain is a digital ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. It's like a public spreadsheet that everyone can see but no one person controls. This technology underpins all cryptocurrencies, providing security and reliability by eliminating the need for central authorities. Bitcoin, the first and most valuable cryptocurrency, was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group. It's often compared to digital gold due to its rarity and value. Bitcoin operates without a central authority, making it a hedge against inflation and a popular choice for investors. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency secured by cryptography, making it nearly impossible to counterfeit. Unlike traditional currencies, most cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks. They exist purely in digital form, offering unique capabilities beyond simple transactions. Wallets are essential for storing your crypto securely. Hardware wallets keep your assets offline, software wallets connect to the internet, and paper wallets are physical documents. Each type offers different levels of security and convenience, so choose based on your needs. Your public key is like your crypto address, while your private key is the secret code that lets you access your funds. Think of the public key as your mailbox address and the private key as the key that opens it. Never share your private key with anyone. Mining involves solving complex puzzles to verify transactions on the blockchain. Miners create new blocks and secure the network, ensuring transactions are verified without a central authority. It's like digital prospecting, where resources are extracted to validate digital assets. HODL is a famous crypto slang term that means holding onto your cryptocurrency regardless of price fluctuations. It's about long-term investment and has become a rallying cry during market downturns. Think of it like planting a tree that grows over years, not days. Altcoins are alternatives to Bitcoin, offering different features and functions. Ethereum, Chainlink, and Cardano are examples of altcoins that enable smart contracts and decentralized applications. Each altcoin has unique capabilities, making them valuable in the crypto ecosystem. Decentralization is the distribution of power across a network, eliminating the need for central authorities. It's a core principle of cryptocurrencies, ensuring transparency and resilience. Think of it like a potluck dinner where everyone contributes, rather than one company controlling everything. Smart contracts are self-executing programs stored on a blockchain that run automatically when conditions are met. They eliminate the need for intermediaries, ensuring transactions are secure and efficient. It's like vending machines for digital agreements, operating without human intervention. DeFi, or decentralized finance, uses blockchain technology to offer financial services without traditional intermediaries. It allows users to lend, borrow, and earn interest on crypto assets. DeFi is like a financial system where algorithms replace bankers, providing transparent and auditable services. Staking involves locking up your cryptocurrency to support a blockchain network and earn rewards. It's like putting money in a savings account that earns interest. Staking secures the network and provides regular payouts, making it a popular choice for passive income. NFTs are unique digital certificates of ownership stored on a blockchain. They represent digital items like art, music, and collectibles. NFTs create verifiable scarcity and allow creators to sell directly to fans, offering new possibilities for digital goods. Gas fees are payments made by users to compensate for the computing energy required to process transactions on a blockchain. They fluctuate based on network demand and ensure transactions are validated. Think of them like highway tolls during rush hour, increasing as traffic rises. Exchanges are platforms where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Centralized exchanges are user-friendly but require trust, while decentralized exchanges offer peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries. Each type has its advantages, so choose based on your preferences. An airdrop is when a cryptocurrency project distributes free tokens to wallet addresses, often as a marketing strategy. Recipients are selected based on specific criteria, and while many airdrops have minimal value, some become quite valuable over time. DYOR, or do your own research, is a mantra encouraging individuals to investigate before investing. It involves reading white papers, checking team credentials, and verifying community activity. It's like test driving a car before buying, ensuring informed decisions. Congratulations! You've learned 20 essential cryptocurrency terms to help you navigate the crypto world with confidence. Use this cheat sheet as a quick reference to everything we've covered, from blockchain and mining to altcoins and exchanges.